everyone. Today I did a hike to Snow Lake and I attempted to make it to Gem Lake. I made it about 6 miles in and turned back because the snow got too deep. I've done the Snow Lake to Gem Lake trail before and it's really beautiful during the summer. Everyone should go and check out Snow Lake when they can. I heard that it will be closing soon for this summer due to trail maintenance. Snow Lake Trail is a beautiful alpine trail that starts off at the Alpental parking lot. Alpental is part of the Snoqualmie Pass ski resort. I've gone snowboarding in Snoqualmie multiple times and it's been really fun this winter. However, before the snowboarding season, I wanted to do one last hike. Snow Lake Trail is a very popular hike. During the summer, there's a lot of people who go there to check out the sights. It's definitely worth it, and I suggest you do the same before the trail closes for maintenance. This video was taken about half a year ago in November. This is the last of my winter hiking videos. I'll have more information in my next video cause I'm going to be doing a life update video. Hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next video for my life updates.